Hey everybody, happy Saturday. It is Pontoon Project Day. This pontoon boat came with Vietlanda, which is our summer place in Hayward, Wisconsin. This boat, in the last year, we have used to do you name it. We've hauled a concrete mixer on this boat, we've hauled lumber, we've hauled all kinds of construction materials, because Vietlanda is a place, it's a 1,300 square foot home on an island that has no access other than by boat, or in the wintertime, you go across the ice. So this has been our barge, and it has definitely seen its better days. So come on up here, take a look. You can see the carpet here is tearing up. It's in pretty rough shape. This carpet actually used to be white, but it is just dirt colored now. So
Brown.
Our project today is we're gonna strip this down. We're gonna remove the railings, the seats, everything else like that. We're gonna strip the carpet, and we're gonna go ahead and replace the flooring on it.
Yep.
We're also gonna be adding lights, because there's a lot of times we're going across at nighttime. We do have LED lights for the red and green that you need for navigation, but we're gonna put in docking lights. We're gonna upgrade the sound system, and generally just clean this thing up, make it look a little bit nicer, but it will continue to be used as a barge, as with the property in Wisconsin, we ended up adding a basement to the home, so we still have sheetrock and a lot of finishing things to get across. But one of the things is we have actually seen grass start to grow, so we're gonna have less mud. So one of the things we've done is looked at different flooring options, and we've looked at just some kind of industrial commercial grade carpets. For this year, I know a lot of people are going to, I'll call it like the vinyl weave. It's kind of the premium pontoon look. The problem with that is we're still gonna be putting pallets on this boat. We're gonna be putting a propane tank on the front of the boat, because we have a 500-gallon propane tank on the island that we go back and forth with to fill. So I wanted something that, was kind of dirt colored and was gonna hold up to pallets and things sitting on it, and that wasn't white. So I felt like this was kind of an appropriate color. If you look at the aluminum, it kind of has the grays, it has the dirt. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing taken apart today and see if we can make some improvements, and then also have it set up so we can do some fishing and do some fun things this summer. So stay with us as we are getting this thing tore up today. All right, we're a couple hours into this project. We've gotten the railings off, we've gotten the furniture off, as you can see. Come on in close, you can take a look. Initially, we tried to start just tearing the carpet off, but as you can see, it's not really coming off well. You can see that the plywood itself is not in the best of shape here. So our new plan, if you look right here, there are these flat head bolts, and then on the bottom, we've got the nut down here. In order to get all these off, being that some are in the middle, I just took a circular saw, we're cutting across, and I'm gonna cut out every chunk of wood, and then we'll be able to unbolt and save those bolts. So what we're gonna do, we're basically gonna cut off all the plywood, go get new marine grade plywood, get new flooring, and basically start with a new foundation here. The current deck is 18 feet long. Plywood comes in 4x8 sheets, which is either 16 or 20. So we're gonna go ahead, and I'm probably gonna extend the front maybe another 6 inches or something, give us just a little bit more room out front, because I want to put some light bars in the front here, and there isn't a lot of room right here. So I might hang the plywood off, figure out some additional structure here to do that. But we've got some options. And then on the rear, come around back. You can see we've got some pretty rotten plywood here on the corner. So this is actually down a level. So we're gonna take these pieces off as well. And then I'm gonna cut a new rear piece of plywood. And I might actually make it a little bit bigger. And then put a step ladder on so that we have a way to get in and out over on that side. So progress, and we're going to get things cut. We'll get new plywood and start the reassembly process here. So